westbound NS freight, or actually it looks like it might be an intermodal, as it heads through Horseshoe Curve at Altoona, Pennsylvania. Horseshoe Curve is on the Pittsburgh Line. Don't know for sure how many trains it gets a day, but it gets a lot. Since I'm flying the drone and doing live from the drone, I will not be able to respond to comments or see who's online here, simply because my sole responsibility right now is flying the drone. And if you see an interruption from time to time, the cell reception is not the best up here. So we might lose connection from time to time. Okay, we're going to scoot across the valley here a little bit and get over here and get a shot of him. Hope y'all are enjoying this view of the Horseshoe Curve. As our train snakes its way through, headed west. So I'm told. This is only my second time here, so I can't say totally for sure, but I think it's headed west. We're flying at about 381 feet here to give you the full view here. Can't fly much higher than this. The limit is 394 feet, actually 400 feet, but I've got my drone set to 394 so I don't go over the altitude. It's a pretty marvelous location to rail fan if you haven't already. Pretty long train. You can see the helpers back down there at the back. It's going to take me a while to get up here though. We're going to fly back over here now. Keep an eye on the drone here. We'll go over here and follow some cars in. I'm up here in the area rail fanning on a rail fan trip with fellow rail fan. That's a lot of rail fans. Ryan Scott, and we're going to be meeting up with another rail fan, Brian Burton, tomorrow. And we're up here for a historic transport rail event at Strasburg, Pennsylvania. We're signed up for the Sunday all day photo charter with their steam locomotive number 475. Should be a fun trip. Gonna make a long day, but it should be fun. This will be a long live stream, but